The Florida Everglades is a subtropical wetland ecosystem covering 1.5 million acres of South Florida. In this video, we explore a small section of this natural wonder on a fast and fun airboat tour. Our tour begins on the outskirts of Weston, Florida, along US Highway 27. Our instructions were to meet our boat captain at the parking lot and boat launch located at mile marker 38.5. If you're traveling north on Highway 27, the parking lot will be on your right. There's lots of airboat tour companies to choose from, but if you want an authentic experience on a small private boat, Ride the Wind, owned and operated by Captain Randy Meeker, is a great option.
Yeah. You're not in it.
Other tour companies have large boats with a lot of people on them, but flying over the Everglades in a small boat with just your party is the way to do it. You'll get closer to the water and gators and have a more personalized experience. Plus, you can talk to your captain and ask lots of questions.
Excited?
I'm so excited.
After parking, we headed to the water and met Captain Randy. It wasn't long before the massive fan roared to life. With our earmuffs on, we set off into the Everglades. The Everglades is massive, but only 200 years ago, it was twice the size at a staggering 3 million acres, reaching as far north as Lake Okeechobee. Efforts are currently underway to reconnect the two to ensure the Everglades get enough fresh water to sustain the remaining 1.5 million acres. The Everglades are home to the largest stand of mangroves in the northern hemisphere and serve as a vital habitat for many marine species. Home to the largest concentration of vulnerable species in North America, the Florida panther, American crocodile, and West Indian manatee are just a few on the list that call the Everglades home. Speaking of crocodiles, the Everglades is the only place in the world where both crocodiles and alligators coexist. The American crocodile, however, is only found in the southernmost tip of Florida.
You're in deep water now. It's shallow over here. Hi, buddy.
Wow. That's so cool.
Boy.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Boy, guapo. Now you see the spikes on his back?
Yeah.
That's all bone protective armor. It's a very strong animal. Pound for pound, is about 9 times stronger than man.
It's just circling us.
swim. but
Lean
the
in a little
water-
closer.
So the best time to hunt them is not anymore. I started off about 11 years ago with the Indian reservation meeting. We had a little plan, your little plan, because of that, they brought in snakeheads and stuff like that. They brought in.
Burmese pythons have invaded the Everglades and are a major threat to native species. They prey on everything from deer to alligators to birds. Efforts are currently underway to remove them, and recently a 17-foot python was caught and it was carrying 17 eggs. According to our captain, while the Everglades water doesn't look appetizing, it's actually safe to drink due to the natural filtration system. Also, it provides clean drinking water for 8 million Floridians. Captain Randy was great and super informative. Kat and I have always wanted to do an airboat tour in the Everglades, and it was so much fun and totally worth it. We'd highly recommend making the drive out to the Everglades for a tour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. We have more fun day trips in South and Central Florida coming up, so subscribe to see more in the weeks ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.